For the first time, kapuso global fashion icon Heart Evangelista, sinagot ang issue kaugnay sa kanyang dating glam team.
I don't hate anyone because I believe in love. Ang tatandaan ko na lang is yung mga taong minahal ko ng mga time na yun. Hindi ko binabasa kung ano man yung mga nasasabi online, but I will try to cherish the times that I thought mahal nila ako. I have to learn to slowly unlove people. And that's painful for me.
Napag-usapan din si Miss Universe 2015 Pia Wurtzbach na active din sa mga fashion events.
So that's once and for all. Woman to woman, I never had a problem with Pia. In fact, I was one of those who cheered for her in the past. And I'd like to think that it was the same for her. But I really truly wish her the best. Sana maging okay siya at sana hindi niya maranasan yung mga naranasan ko sa nakaraan.
Nag-message ang GMA Integrated News kay Pia at hinihintay pa namin ang kanyang tugon. Nelson Canlas nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.